Morning, dear students. I already sent you notice to you that I will explain later. I send important questions in plant growth and development. In this plant growth and development topic, there is a what is a growth? A growth means irreversible development in the mass is called growth. For our IP concern, there are PGRs. What is meant by PGR? That is plant growth regulators. Plant growth regulators. Regulators. So what is the plant growth regulators? Those are called phytohormones. So these are called phytohormones. So we previously called those phytohormones, now they are calling as PGRs, phytohormones. As per concern of plants, there are 5 phytohormones. One is auxins, second one is gibberellins, third one is cytokinins, fourth one is ethylene, and the fifth one is ABL, abscisic acid. Abscisic acid. Welcome to auxins. Welcome to auxins. So in Latin, what is meant by auxin? So auxin in అర్థం ఏంటిదంటే పెంపొందించినవి పెంపేటువంటివి పెంచేటువంటివి అనేటువంటిది గ్రీక్లో వస్తుంది. సో డార్విన్ కుమారుడైనటువంటి ఫ్రాన్సిస్ డార్విన్ canary coleoptile has taken experiments on canary grass called coleoptile. So the coleoptile and the tip of the plant turns towards the sun. If there is a sun, the tip, the coleoptile ప్రాంకురకం చుకము అంటారు, that turns into it. If you take helianthus పొద్దుతిరుగుడు పువ్వును కనుక చూసినట్టయితే అది ఆల్వేస్ సీమ్స్ టు బి ఇన్ ద సన్సెట్, సూర్యుని చూస్తున్నట్టు ఉంటుంది. సో ఇఫ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సన్, so it is, so what he done experiments, he cut the tip of that canary grass. After what happens, there is no curve. After what he done, he put the cutted piece. So ఈ కట్ పీస్ను ఇక్కడ మళ్ళా ఉంచాడు. Again it was turned, it was bent towards the sun. Then what he done, one experiment, he cut the piece of top coleoptile of canary grass and he put on agar. Then after he done, he kept this agar piece on the tip of the canary grass. So automatically the tip was turned and grow towards the sun. Then he come to a conclusion, but there is something small hormones produced in the tip of the stem. Those are called auxins. Then we'll come to what are the natural hormones, what are the synthetic hormones. If you come to auxins are naturally IAA, indole acetic acid, NAA, naphthalene acetic acid, indole butyric acid. So auxins are powerful growth hormones produced in the stem tip of the plants. So important question, the horticultural and agricultural importance applications of auxins in horticulture. Auxins are powerful growth hormones produced in the stem tip of the plant. Second one, in stem cuttings, initiating of root is noticed. This application is widely used for plant propagation in horticulture. Auxins stimulate fruit growth in tomatoes. Auxins prevent pre-harvest fruit drop. Auxins control xylem differentiation and help in growth. So there is a synthetic hormone that is called 2,4-D. This is used as weedicide. Weeda is used as weeda కలుపునాశకము. సో ఏదైనా కనుక డైకోట్లిడన్ ప్లాంట్స్లలో మోనోకాటిలిడన్స్ వస్తే 2,4-D వీడర్గా ఉపయోగిస్తుంటాం. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ యూజ్డ్ టు డెవలప్ లాన్స్. Removal of shoot tip results the growth of lateral buds. This is called apical dominancy. Apical dominancy. So what is meant by apical dominance? Apical dominance. What is meant by apical dominance? The root tip or stem tip controls the growth of lateral buds. If you remove the root tip, the lateral buds, lateral branches will be grown. So apical dominance is caused by auxins. This phenomenon is applied in tea plantation and hedge making. So you see, so it is used in hedge making and tea plantation. So this is the horticulture importance of auxins. So now I am going to teach the gibberellin. So second plant growth regulator is gibberellin. In ancient time, just I am telling history, in Japan there is a disease. There is a disease found by scientists that is called Bakane disease. Gibberellin. So that is called Bakane disease. Bakane. Then what is meant by Bakane? So the plant, the wheat plant grows rapidly and will not yield any seeds. So తెలివి తక్కువ మొలక వ్యాధి అని చెప్పేసి అన్నారు. సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దట్ బకనే డిసీజ్ తెలివి తక్కువ మొలక వ్యాధిలో నుంచి మురిసి ద స్కూగ్ తయారు చేశాడు, ఇన్వెంటెడ్ అనుకోవచ్చు, లేకపోతే హీ ప్రిపేర్డ్ gibberellic acid. These are called GA1, GA2, GA3, so on. So there are 100 gibberellic acids are present. So when come to the physiological responsibilities of gibberellin in plants. So what they do in the plant system, you see, gibberellins are growth hormones that stimulate fruit ripening, stem elongation, termination, flowering, sex expression, enzyme induction, leaf and fruit senescence. So they delay. Gibberellins are denoted as also G1, GA1, gibberellic acid 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, so on. So GA has the maturity period of coniferous that leading to early seed products. Gibberellin increases the length of axis. So they grows the length of, for example, మనం చెరుకు కడుపు తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి, రెండు కడుపుల మధ్యన లావుగా పెద్దగా ఉంటే దాన్ని మనం తినాలని కోరుకుంటాం. సో ఇఫ్ యూ స్ప్రే ద gibberellic acid on sugarcane, it will elongate the stem axis between the internodes. That is used to increase the length of grape stalks. So gibberellins cause fruit like apple and elongate, improve their shape. That is called, one is called parthenocarpy. So I am writing that one is called parthenogenesis లేదా parthenocarpy. Gibberellins are very used in the parthenocarpy. Without fertilization or formation of a fruit is called. So next, they delay senescence. So what is meant by delay? Delay senescence. సెన్సెస్. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ డిలే సెన్సెస్? ఆకు రాల్చేటువంటి కాలాన్ని నిరోధిస్తుంది. యాపిల్ ఎలా చేస్తుంది? సో ద ఫ్రూట్స్ కెన్ బి లెఫ్ట్ ఆన్ ద ట్రీ ఫర్ లాంగర్ టైమ్ సో దట్ they can market period can be extended. So this is called, if it is delay senescence, it is called వేజ్ లైఫ్. మీకు అప్పుడప్పుడు ఇందులో మనకు లేదు, అయినా కానీ మనం గుర్తుపెట్టుకుని ఎంసెట్లో వాటిలో ఇస్తారండి, వేజ్ లైఫ్. సో ఇఫ్ యూ స్ప్రే జిబ్బరెల్లిక్ యాసిడ్స్. ద థర్డ్ వన్ ఈజ్ స్ప్రేయింగ్ ఆఫ్ జిబ్బరెల్లిక్ యాసిడ్ ఆన్ sugar cane increases the length of stem, that increases the yield by 20. Spraying of gibberellic acid in juvenile conifers hastens that maturity period, this lead to the early seed production. So gibberellic acids promotes bolting. It should be called bolting. Bolting. What is meant by bolting? Bolting, what is meant by bolting? And elongation of internodes is called bolting. If you take in the rosette inflorescence, just like cabbage and cauliflower, their stem was suppressed and seems to be a round shape flower typing process. Those are called rosette. In the rosette, if you spray gibberellic acid, so they form into the bolting. So these are the horticultural and agricultural applications of gibberellic acid. Now I am going to teach cytokinins and ethylene.